Hey, sweet friends. Today is day 3 of our creation of man lesson from Genesis 1:26 through chapter 2 on to verse 23. Remember, we talked about last week who made the world, how God said, "Let there be light." He made the sky and the water. He made the sun, the moon, and the stars. He made the dry land and the plants. He made the birds and the fish. He made the animals on land, but he was lonely. And remember, God spoke all of those things into existence. He said, "Let there be light, let there be birds, let there be fish in the sea." But God was lonely. So God decided to create man out of the dust of the earth. But this time he didn't just speak that. He breathed his life into the very dust. And God created Adam. But when God looked at the animals and the other creatures that he made, he said it was good. But God knew that Adam was lonely and that he needed a wife. So God made Adam to go in a very deep sleep. From Adam's side, God took a rib bone and used it to create Eve, the very first woman. God breathed into her and she became Adam's helper. Eve was someone else who could love God, talk to him, and obey him. God made a beautiful place for Adam and Eve to live in. It was not a big house or a beautiful castle. It was a lovely garden, a beautiful paradise. This home was called the Garden of Eden. There were lots of beautiful things for them to enjoy. There were delicious vegetables, special fruits. All the animals were friendly to Adam and Eve. They enjoyed talking to God. They loved God and obeyed him. Everything in the garden was perfect. So let's see what happens tomorrow, friends.